Hi, this is Mario Napa and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about fishing in cold Florida water. Now, it's all relative. The water temperatures today were between 66 and 67 degrees. They didn't change much. I was fishing a very deep lake, so the sun doesn't have much of an impact over the 4 hours that I was there. But I did not have some success 2 times recently fishing after cold fronts came through, and I got skunked both times. So I figured I was going to focus on using the correct tactics for fishing in cold water here in Florida. And that is to fish slow, to fish deep, and to fish small. So stay tuned and you'll see what worked. Okay, I don't know if you can see my depth finder, but look at all the fish. It's 25 feet here, 21 feet, 25 feet. They're all below 12 feet of water, so they're deep. And that's the key message here when you're fishing deep water in Florida. I mean, fishing cold water in Florida, the fish go deep. So I'll try a bunch of different things here. First I'm going to try something which is not deep, and that's a popper, because I had a lot of luck with this a few days ago. I'll come back here to fish the deep water. Let me go fish the island. And he lost them right at the boat. That counts. Got one. So I caught that with the Ned rig, and I'll show you. And I was fishing it deep. Just where I saw them on the depth finder. There's where you go. You fish the depth finder, right? You fish what the thing is telling you. Not big, but it smells like a fish, doesn't it? Yeah, 12 inches. That worked. Let's do a little more of that. There's another one. Got another one. Same thing, same place, same method. Same size too, about a foot. That's all right, they're fun to catch. They're in that area right around that stalagmite or stalactite. So I'm just jigging the June bug short Ned rig right in the middle of the lake here, which I think it's around, right now it's 21 feet. Yep, definitely a fish. So I threw right over that stalactite. Oh, here we go. Got one. Got one. Yep, that's where they're hanging out. There they're hanging out. It's a nice one. Any fish is a nice one. Release this tension on this. Another one. That's a nice little fish. Okay, so again, a Ned rig, and I'm casting it right over high point in the bottom of the lake. Got it marked on my GPS. That was like clockwork. All right, I don't know how many that is, 4 or 5 today. I'll keep doing it here, see what I can get. And I got another one. And I got another one. Oh, don't jump, don't jump, don't jump. Oh, he jumped. Darn it, I lost it. I lost it, he jumped. All right, we'll try again. Lost him again. That's all right. So the only thing that really worked today was the Ned rig. And I used my depth finder because there's a spot, as you saw, there was a spot where there was a shallow surface, maybe only 9 feet deep, and it went quickly from 9 to 25 all around it. And I just kept throwing that spot, and I caught a bunch there. And then a couple other spots, using the Ned rig and letting it sink. You could see, I hope I showed you on the video, but it drops pretty quickly, and you could actually track it on the depth finder. And so fishing deep, I caught nothing along the shoreline, and I did fish the shoreline quite a bit just to see if there was anything there. And the fish finder was marking a lot of fish, but it was all in deep water, below 20 feet, 15 to 30 feet. You would think that's below the thermocline, but actually most of the fish were 25 to 30 feet deep, and they were big, they weren't small. So when it gets cold, the fish go deep to stay warm. Their metabolism slows down, so they don't have to eat very much. And maybe after it's cold for a week or two, they're going to be a little more active because even though their metabolism slowed down, they've consumed all of their stores of energy and fat and whatever. So, but right now, the fronts have only been through maybe a week or so, and they probably still have a ways to go yet before they become active and fish and approach the shoreline or search for bait fish or whatever. But right now, they're pretty dormant. So try it. The Ned rig is great. You saw what I used. It sinks fast, and it was the only thing that worked today. So till next time.